Welcome to our mattress installation guide for the CuroCell CX range. Let's begin. Place the mattress on the bed base, securing it with the fastening straps on the underside. For adjustable beds, fasten the 4 straps on the head end to the moving part of the bed. Similarly, secure the 2 straps at the foot end to the moving part of the bed. Hang or place the control unit on a steady surface on the foot end of the bed. Ensure the switch on the side of the pump is set to the off position. Secure the power cable in the holder on the side of the mattress and connect it to the pump. Open the air tube connector marked CPR and attach it to the control unit. Listen for a click indicating a secure connection. Plug the power supply into an approved electrical socket within easy reach. Turn the pump on by setting the switch on the control unit to the on position. The mattress will begin inflating, taking approximately 20 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the mattress. During inflation, observe the mute button and the information signal lighting up in orange. Once they go out, the mattress is ready for use. Gently place the user on the fully inflated mattress. The control unit will automatically adjust the inner pressure based on the user's weight, length and position. While the pulsating mode is preset on the IQ and A4 pump, the A4 pump allows for different settings to be selected once the user is comfortable on the mattress.